example 2, we're asked to simplify 8 plus 3x plus 4 plus 5x in parentheses, the sum of 4 plus 5x, and we're asked to justify each step. In other words, what this means is we need to state what property are we using to do what we've done. So the first thing that, and the order of these can change, so don't think that just because you don't have exactly the steps that we have here, as long as you have a valid justification for each step, you should be fine. And if you come up with a different solution to this and you have a question, ask your instructor. So with 8 plus 3x plus parentheses 4 plus 5x, so the sum of 4 plus 5x, the first thing I would do is, if we're using the properties that we've learned from this section, I would switch the 3x plus 8 plus 4 plus 5x. And since I switched the order, that would be, and we're dealing with addition, that would be the commutative property of addition. And now, since I have those two middle terms are constants, I would write 3x plus parenthesis 8 plus 4 close parentheses plus 5x. And since I moved where the parentheses are, but I didn't change the order, that would be the associative property of addition. And then I would simplify those. Well, actually, we can go ahead and let's make this 3x plus 5x plus 8 plus 4. That would again be the commutative property. And then we just simplify 3x plus 5x equals 8x. And 8 plus 4 equals 12. And that's simply simplification. Technically, one could argue, depending on where you're going with it, that you could factor out a 4, and you could make this 4 times 2x plus 3. But this would be, to me, the most simplified solution, the 8x plus 12. And again, we use the commutative property to switch the order of the first two terms, the 3x and the 8. Then the associative property, remove the parentheses while keeping the order the same. Then we switched the order again by moving the 5x to next to the 3x. And then finally we simplified by combining like terms.